Hello, Algebros. This is the first example from your book. It says Ping and Shalisha each attempt to factor 3x cubed plus 12x squared minus 36x by factoring out the greatest common factor. So if we look what Ping did, looks like Ping took out 3x and he was left with x squared plus 4x minus 12. Looks good. Shalisha factored out a 3 and was left with x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x. So although Shalisha did factor correctly with what she factored out, she did not factor out the greatest common factor because she left a common factor in. She left an x in. So notice all those terms have an x. So Ping was correct. This is the greatest common factor. So again, you can explain in your own words. Something of that sort. She did not factor out the greatest common factor. She left a factor in, so on and so forth. So now we want to completely factor. So if you just finished watching the video, we just talked about completely factoring. And this is going to be way more simple than those last few ones. So we're going to go off of Ping's work because he did it correctly. So what we have left to factor is 3x times the quantity of x squared plus 4x minus 12. So we need to factor x squared plus 4x minus 12, and because that leading coefficient is 1, it's going to be way more simple. So negative 12 is up here, we have 4. We need the factors of 12 that will subtract to give us 4. So the factors of 12 are, let's go over here, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So 6 minus 2 would be 4, so 2 and 6. And we need to figure out which term is going to be negative. So the larger value is going to keep the sign of that bottom number, so that means 2 is going to get the negative. So we have x minus 2 times x plus 6. But don't forget about this one. So that's fully factored. Now we want to use the factors to identify 0 and then sketch the graph of the polynomial. So hopefully this is review. So how we do that is we set each factor equal to 0. So 3x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and x plus 6 equals 0. Divide by 3, x equals 0, add 2, x equals 2, subtract 6, x equals negative 6. Those are the zeros. Again, they're called zeros because we set them all equal to 0. Those are also the x-intercepts. So remember, zeros equal x-intercepts. Okay. So we have an intersection at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6, an intersection at 0, and an intersection at 2. We look back, it is a cubic function, so that means it's either going to look like that or like that. And the leading coefficient is positive, so this is the one, not that. Oh wow, that zoomed in a lot. Okay, so we're going to start down here, go up through, up, and out. And there you have it. So factoring directly relates to graphs, the x-intercepts, and the solutions. Lots of things that you can get from factoring. So the rest of your assignment will be on the next page to graph these. And if you're watching the video, Don't do that third page. I know I put it on the Teams thing, but I didn't mean to save the third page. So just do page 11. So those that don't watch the video are probably going to not know how to do the third page. But if you watch the video, you're going to know how to know that you don't have to do the third page. So go ahead and drop a laughing emoji to let me know that you watched the third video. No, fourth video. Whatever video this is from your notebook. But you do not have to do the third page. You just have to do M2 11. All right, happy mathing. Have a great day. Have a great day off of school tomorrow.